Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Canva versus Photoshop. Canva is a user-friendly, web-based design tool perfect for creating quick graphics and social media content. Photoshop, on the other hand, is an industry-standard, professional desktop application designed for advanced image manipulation and detailed graphic design. While Canva offers a vast library of templates for ease of use, Photoshop provides extensive control over every single pixel, supporting complex layering and non-destructive editing for truly bespoke creations. When it comes to ease of use, Canva truly shines with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it incredibly accessible for absolute beginners. You can often create impressive designs within mere minutes, even with no prior experience. Conversely, Photoshop demands a significant time investment to master its advanced features and intricate tools. Professional designers frequently spend hundreds of hours learning its complex functionalities to unlock its full creative potential. Regarding features and functionality, Canva excels in template-based design, offering thousands of pre-made layouts for diverse purposes like presentations and social posts. It even includes basic video editing. Photoshop, however, provides unparalleled photo editing capabilities, including precise retouching, complex compositing, and advanced color correction. It also supports three-dimensional design, sophisticated typography, and intricate masking techniques, offering a depth of control unmatched by simpler tools. Considering pricing and target audience, Canva offers a robust free tier and very affordable premium subscriptions, typically starting around $12 per month. It primarily targets small businesses, marketers, and individuals needing quick, attractive designs. Photoshop is available through Adobe Creative Cloud subscriptions, usually costing about $23 per month for a single application. It is an essential tool for professional photographers, graphic designers, and digital artists who require its advanced capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.